Now we're adding fractions with the same denominator, and the most important thing to remember here is that the denominator stays the same in our answer. So 3/7 plus 1/7 is 4/7 because the denominator stays the same, and then we just add the numerators, and 3 plus 1 is 4. So 1/5 plus 2/5 is 3/5 because the denominator stays the same in our answer, and 1 plus 2 is 3. So now for 3/10 plus 2/10, our answer is 5/10. The denominator stays the same, and 3 plus 2 is 5. And 2/9 plus 5/9 is 7/9 because the denominator stays the same, and 2 plus 5 is 7. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.